Okay, so we know at this stage that basically everyone thinks that the universe is static and the general relativity equations have been fudged so that we can keep the universe looking like it's static. Before we start talking about how that's overthrown and the idea of an expanding universe, we need to really consider what it means to be an expanding universe. Sorry, I've got a prop here and all the stars are falling off it. I'll explain it to you in a second. So basically, when we're talking about an expanding universe, we're not thinking about an explosion like chunks of galaxy and stars and things shooting away from each other through space. We're literally talking about the fabric of space itself expanding out between those things. So it's quite a different concept. So basically, you can kind of model this at home, and you might have done this in junior science, and I apologize if that's the case, and you can just stop this video. But if you want to do this at home, have a go at it. So basically, if we think about if we reduce the 3 dimensions or 4 dimensions, including time, of space down to 2, and just think about it being like the cover of like the surface of this balloon, and we have sticky dots on here so we can see there's stars really close together. When we blow that up, I'll just stick these guys back on because they're all falling off. When we blow that up, we'll see that the ones that didn't fall off, we'll see that they are moving apart from each other. Now, if you're on any one of those dots, it's going to look like all of those other stars are receding from you. They're moving away from you. But it doesn't matter what star you're on there, you're always going to see that. So it will always look like you're the center of the universe. But it's going to be that way no matter where you're sitting in the universe. So you need to understand when we're talking about an expanding universe, it's not that everything's rushing through space, and it's not that everything's rushing through space away from us. It's that the space between everything is expanding. So no matter where you are, it looks like everything around you is actually receding